Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the local government of Pakistan. The local government system is protected by the Constitution's Article 32 and 140A. The local government is a form of public administration which in the most of the context exists as the lowest level of administration. However, it is also considered the grassroots administration, which is much more related to the public issues. It acts within the powers delegated to them by the directives of the higher government, and it performs its duties within the specific localities, within each of the specifically assigned localities. The Local Government Ordinance of 2001 provides devolution of government or devolution of power to the district administration, and each district administration is headed by the DCO and Zilla Nazim. The new system provided a three-tier local government structure. Number one is the district government, and on the second tier is Tehsil government, and on the third is the union administration. So here is the graphical presentation of the organization of local government. As you can see that district councils are on the top, and then we have the Tehsil councils and also the union councils, which are managed by the union nazims and naib union nazims. If we talk about the district, it is the first tier of local government. There are 149 districts of Pakistan, and which are constituted of Zilla Nazim and district administration. District administration consists of district officers, including sub-officers of at the different tehsil levels, and then we have the district Nazim. For the tehsil, which is the middle tier, it has the municipal administration consisting of Tehsil Council, headed by the Tehsil Nazim. Chief officers and officials of local council are also part of the Tehsil government. It is used in all over the Pakistan except for the Sindh province, where the word taluka is used instead of Tehsil, but however the functions are identical. And union council is the lowest tier. It's a corporate body covering the rural as well as urban areas in the district. It consists of the union nazim, naib union nazim, 3 union secretaries, and also the other auxiliary staff. So union nazim is the head of the union administration. So currently we have 129 district councils across the 4 provinces, 619 urban councils made up of the city district governments, 4 metropolitan corporations, 13 municipal corporations, 96 municipal committees, 148 town councils, 360 urban union committees, and 1925 rural councils. So they promote overall function of social and economic environmental well-being of the citizens. They also tend to institutionalize the education and to provide different services which are related to education, as well as cultural activities, sport functions, sport facilities, housing and other utilities like the provision of electricity and provision of water and water supply at the to the doorsteps, and maintenance of infrastructure, as well as to look after the sewerage system as well as for the cleanliness of the areas. So spatial planning and construction, firefighting, rescue services, water supply, waste management, and road infrastructure and transportation facilities. So here is the glimpse of a few of the services which are provided by the local government.